Well, good afternoon. It's another episode again of my YouTube channel. I'm working at a special function today at the Tides restaurant. It's going to be busy tonight, and everybody's busy for preparation right now. Look at the bar. I still have to organize the bar right now. Look at this. All the chickens here. All that. Not ready yet. Yeah. So I just organized all the wines, and that's like really looks nice now. And the beers also. So Dave is smiling right now. And the other side. So I have ice ready. I have to organize this bar right now. It's just like too much. So the preparation outside. Preparing for everything. I have to make the garnish. I have to make the special fruit punch, like Christmas hands. So I'm not done yet. That hands has star anise, also cinnamon, like special hands mixed with orange juice. You got the grenadine syrup, and then you got the cinnamon stick. You got the pineapple juice and cranberry juice. All right. First, I'll put the ice. Special knife. Look at that. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Set. I show you the setup outside. See, look at that. These two guys is laughing with that.
I don't know if it's you can go inside. Let me hide there.
Nice, huh? Let's set up right now. Ready for today. Set up for tonight. Not done yet. Soon. Alright, that's for tonight. Now I'm making the special fruit punch for tonight. We have star anise down there. So just put a few inside so that has this flavor. This is about like 5 liter of juices. I have already mixed actually a little bit. I soaked it last night so that it can have this flavor already. I have to mix it more. I have already this ready for last night, so it's already mixed, as you can see. So it has a cinnamon and has a star anise already. So it's you can smell the flavor already. Look at this. We have the cinnamon inside. So now I have to add it a little bit more. By the way, this is just ginger ale. With the syrup.
Yeah, that's it.
You get the blood orange. It's about 2 liter of blood orange. So you can smell it right away, like the star anise and the cinnamon. And you can add the alcohol for this too, so that can make like punch, real punch. You can add either rum and gold rum, and then the coconut rum. Tastes really good. Or you can add vodka. If people love vodka, you can add some vodka there. Pineapple juice. And by the way, I'm not done yet for the garnish, so I have to slice more garnish anyway. See, that's all. Pineapple juice, like 2 liters pineapple juice.
This is gonna be empty, no?
So I just add like a little bit of, this is the raspberry puree. So maybe, like maybe 4 ounces of the strawberry puree. So half, taste of those, really good. A little bit more of pineapple so that it will fill up the top. And now we can stir it. Running! That's it. You can taste the cinnamon, star anise, and all the juices, like orange juice, pineapple juice, blood orange, and then the strawberry, the raspberry puree. Tastes really good. And it's ready for this afternoon. I'll get this done. Good, it's ready. I have this done. I'm ready. So I'm ready to go. But I need glasses and garnish, more garnish. More garnish, right? I slice more garnish. And this ready right now. Oh yeah. Oh, this looks nice. Let's go out and see. Huh?
What's the welcome drink?
Ready now?
The guest is here.
Now I have to start making the welcome drinks.
So I can make drinks for you. Someone come to you and answer. Oh, you gonna ring it? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna ring it. Yeah, so just explain. Yes, I know. Oh.
Everybody's here already for the party. See, look at this. The Olia is coming. I can show you the weather outside on the beach bar. Now it's
has she been registered?
oh, it's 6 o'clock
Area
now.
15 and then area was what? 20?
Alright, it's like 6 o'clock in the evening. Look at that. It's windy and there's beach bar right now. Hey man. The weather is so bad. Look at the weather and look at the beach. It's so nice. Looks like stormy weather.
I'm here at 15, I'm here at 12.
26.
Hey, just catch one. Last one. I got your dance.
Oh, Nick, him on Instagram?
Yeah, no.
On
Yeah,
YouTube?
I get the IG too, but that's a YouTube.
Oh, perfect. I'll search it right now. This is me?
No, Naked Mixology.
Oh, no, I'm saying that's me.
Ah, there's you.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Naked. This new group of guests from just for one day. You know, like that's how busy we are now. This bar is busy too, and upstairs busy. So we have another function, just finished. There's an anniversary, and then we have another group of guests again, loads.
What are you doing?
I can imagine how quick the service, the transition today. Changing tables, cleaning, and then there's the new buffet. Not the same as, like, I think just 30 minutes of setup, and there's like a new group of guests. A new buffet also. That's how quick we do the transition. It's another day, another night. Just done the function and everything today. I'm about to go home actually. Everybody is tired, but turn out everything is good. Today we have two functions upstairs. One is anniversary, and then one is like a regular buffet. And every Tuesday nowadays also we have a buffet upstairs. So anyway, before I finish this conversation right now, thank you for my subscriber. And I have a new subscriber, actually, one of the dancer tonight for the anniversary. I forgot his name. He has a YouTube channel also. Anyway, thank you so much. I see you next time in my next episode. Have a good night. And thank you. And Happy New Year for everybody, and Merry Christmas. Thank you.